This is my favorite right here. Look, push that button. Push it. That Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Okay, go through the rest of your stuff. See what you got. Okay, baby, go ahead. You don't have to have Mama's permission to open your presents. You just open them all. See, you did a great job. What is it? Wow, are they beautiful?
Let me see it.
Oh, you got a book. What kind of book is it?
A pig.
A pig book? What is it, Kaylee?
That's a pig.
Oh, it's a 3D puzzle. Yeah, baby. Okay, go put the book up and open up another one of your presents. That's pretty cool. It's a puzzle that's not flat. It stands up like this, so it looks like a real castle.
Look at the pretty part. Look, Aubrey. Mama, now I got a big
This one you want to open next?
Get the ball.
You're so silly.
Open it
There
out.
you go. You gotta rip the tape.
It's not really hard.
Did you see the Tinkerbell special there?
She did.
Cool, huh?
Look, it's inside here.
Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse ears.
Mickey Mouse, come on.
Mama!
Oh, beautiful princess Barbies. Awesome.
Mama!
Oh, you look super cute. Watch out, Kaylee. Scoochie.
So I can see how
There you
big
go.
Mickey Mouse ears.
Super cute. Okay. Hold on.
What's inside it?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay, open it. What's in there? Treasure!
Wow, look at treasure.
Oh. I don't need them. Mine!
Do you like your stuff?
It's necklace.
It is a necklace. Okay, put the necklace back in here and go get another present.
Mama, look!
Oh,
Little block. A little book.
little books. They're called ABC books. It's got a book in there for every letter of the alphabet. What is it?
Wow.
Evelyn, why don't you go get a tissue and wipe your nose, baby?
A book.
Hey, why don't you go get a tissue and wipe your nose?
Book.
Yes, it's a coloring book, a Bible coloring book. In the bathroom.
Now I'll put this one.
Okay, let's see.
Mama, I can't take this off.
If you have to rip the box, just rip the box.
Baby, this one?
No, I'm talking about Evelyn.
Mama.
Here, Evelyn.
Daddy.
She was getting ready to wipe her nose at that.
I was going to give it to Evelyn. Daddy.
Oh, you're super cute.
Mama.
Go tighten it up.
Let's do that.
Okay, go put that in the trash. Look, right there. Daddy's got the trash in his hands. Okay, what's in this box? Hey,
Box.
hey, Evelyn, are you gonna open your present?
Evelyn's falling behind.
Let's go.
Evelyn.
Because she wants to sit and admire every present she gets. You got Mickey Mouse ears
Sit
too.
over your feet.
Go get another present.
That's all me.
No, baby, you all got one.
Yeah, everybody got mouse ears.
She looked at him and she goes,
See, there's always right here. Look.
she doesn't want them. Look at her.
You don't like some mouse ears too? Look, how cute you are.
Mama, look, I got books.
Cool.
Okay, Mom, I'll wear them.
Now I can read these books for a bedtime storage folder.
You can.
So I'm going to open them.
Mickey Mouse. Let me have it.
Mama.
A doctor set. Dr. Kaylee, I have a boo-boo.
Mama. I have two more
What's in here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Open it. A Dora cash register. Oh my goodness. Turn it on and see if it works.
Hey, you gotta stop it.
Switch.
Mama.
Yeah, it's in the back. It's a game.
Daddy.
A Disney Princess Wii game.
Daddy.
Let's find the switch. It's right there by your hand, babe.
This button. Right there.
Which button?
Hola. Daddy.
Vamos a ir de compras.
Look.
What's that?
A Disney game.
What is it, though?
Okay, open it. Rip it. Rip it, rip it, rip
It's
it.
a Wii game.
Oh yeah, rip it, rip it, rip
Mama,
it.
there's one thing that I didn't get there was a Princess and the Pop Star. The Princess and the Pop Star doll.
Are you complaining that you didn't get something? Is that what I'm hearing?
Okay. Aubrey. Don't say that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a big box.
Daddy, look.
Rip off the tape. Rip it off, rip it off.
Mama.
Oh,
What do we do
she's
with
beautiful.
this? What do we
It's
do
a clip
with
for your
this?
hair. What's in there, baby?
Ooh, look at this. Super cool box.
What is it?
What box is this? Is this yours?
Yes.
Put your stuff over here.
Do you like it? Let's turn it on.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mama, what are these buttons for?
This is make different noises.
Say.
Oh, what a beautiful player you are.
Oh, wow. Keyboard.
I'm trying to make it like this.
Okay, let's open your other present. Go put that up special. Be very careful with it.
Who said that?
Yeah, baby, you still have another present right there.
Where?
Did you open all your presents? What's Aubrey Grace?
You're a quick present opener.
Now you can sit and look at all the super cool stuff you got.
Let me read this box to you. What's in here?
Books?
Oh, wow. Check out your books. See what you got.
I got this one.
Uh-huh.
What's that?
A whack-a-mole game. That's a super cool game. You take the hammers and you whack the moles with them.
What's that?
Just like
Open
an
it.
arcade.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Mama, look.
You got more
And
presents,
this one.
Does she or is she all done?
Open it.
Evelyn.
Ouch.
Oh, wow, Evelyn, baby, you need to open up your presents. Look at all those presents you still have.
Look. I got
A Humpty
this.
Dumpty book.
Daddy, look, I got
Okay, we're going to open this later, but you got to open up all your presents first
Okay. Look.
so we can see what you got, and then we can play with them.
Four more. See? Look at all those. Couldn't find opening here farther behind.
Look, Mama, the 3 kids. Mama.
Grab one of your presents, baby. Yep. Cool. Evelyn. Hey,
Look, Mama.
get a present.
These?
Yes, those are all yours.
Mama.
There was an old woman.
Oh, I thought it said there was an old woman who swallowed a fly, but then because
Oh.
I don't know that book. One more big book.
Aubrey Grace, where you at, baby?
I was like,
Okay.
what is it?
I don't know. What is it? What is it? More treasure.
Evelyn! You're a treasure stealer, I think. I guess you
Take
are.
your temperature. See if you got a fever.
Evelyn.
Hey, who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Hi.
Hey, let me take it up. Let me see it.
Let her see her stuff, baby.
See, just let yourself here, kid.
Hello.
Kaylee Neve.
Here.
Hey,
Hello.
do you want me to squeeze your fat little cheeks?
Here, baby. I got another box for you to open. With the gal stuff.
Oh, okay. She can open up that one to the family too.
This one.
Hello.
Look, you can open up these three.
Who's there?
Who is it?
I'm not sure who this one is. Might be for you.
Get another one.
Can we not put it open?
I don't know.
What is that?
Oh my goodness!
A U-Draw tablet for the Wii.
Look!
Turn it over and look at the back.
Mama.
Look at that! You hook it up to the Wii and you can draw a whole bunch of super cool stuff. What, baby?
Daddy, can
You got more presents behind you. Open up those. What's you got in there?
Evelyn, these are not just yours that I'm opening. And they're not just mine. They're for all of us.
Another game. This goes to the U Draw. These both go to the U Draw.
Yeah, cool, huh?
Ooh, what's in here?
Oh. Mama, balloons!
Cool.
Oh, they're balloons.
That's why Aubrey didn't have two presents before tonight. She only had one present under the tree with her name on it. The other girls had two. More dishes. That one.
I mean, Evelyn.
But that one could be for her. I don't know what's in it. Those are just pretend, baby. Pretend cups from McDonald's. What is it? A game for the whole family.
Daddy. Can I have some of
Hey, get another one, baby. Get another present.
Ellie's really fat.
Who is that?
It's a Shrek operation game.
You gotta be a doctor and perform operation on Shrek.
I don't got any. I only have one game.
Open it.
Hello, get off me.
Oh my goodness, they're beautiful.
Why wouldn't you get any just of me and all free getting some? Now we know whose is
Let
this.
me see. Oh, it is Kaylee's.
All right, perfect.
Oh. Evelyn,
Look.
I got this. I know.
Okay, baby. We'll open up the Barbies in a minute, okay? Get your last present.
Cool.
What is this? I like this lipstick.
Yes.
I want 2 more presents.
Okay, keep going.
And we got some bracelets.
Okay, here you go, baby. What's in there?
Treasure.
Aw, cute. A little baby
What
toy.
is it? Oh,
Oh,
wow.
they're
Lots
not the
of
same
different
thing I
treasures. It's not the same stuff. It's all different.
This one again.
Okay.
Look, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's the thing. Let me try to get this one. Mama, look, grass. Mama, look, grass.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I thought it was Baby Dora. Wait, there. Here, Aubrey. I got these on single. Oh. Aubrey, you got pretend butter.
Here you go, baby.
Look.
Over here.
Everyone's but computer line. Yeah, that's everyone. All of the food is
Oh, my goodness.
Aww, this is so cute.
What is that? What does it do when you push the button?
Isn't this cute? Mama, look. Look what Aubrey has. Look. Mama, look.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
It's Aubrey's. Everyone, let me see. Remember, it sounds like she's talking
Yeah,
like
she's very beautiful.
retarded. Remember you said that, Mama. You want to play? Her hair is really soft and smooth, Devlin.
Do you want to go for a swim? Don't wipe
Mama,
your shirt.
what do we-
Don't wipe your nose with your shirt.
Oh, look, Mama. Ow. Look,
So what do you think? Do you guys think you made out pretty good for
Mama.
Christmas?
How come there's nothing else that goes with this?
You still have your stockings to open.
Oh. We forgot it. Oh, what's in this one? That's cool. A new coloring book.
Awesome.
But Aubrey, wait. What about the one that you got from church?
Brianna's still sleeping.
Oh, Mama, what do we do with this?
It's like a drum.
Like that keyboard, Evelyn?
Is this? Like that, kind of?
What, baby?
Do this. Okay.
Let's open the stockings now. Sorry, baby.
Okay, Kaylee. Here's your stocking.
Oh, yeah. Careful.
Oh, here's the necklace.
What?
Oh,
No, baby. You have ones that looks just like it.
It's in here, baby.
Promise.
Mama!
What?
What's
Oh,
that?
A poster of Mario?
No, it's a giant sticker poster.
Here.
Cool, huh?
Evelyn, come sit down and open up your...
Want to wear your necklace?
Yeah, one's yours. No, Evelyn, this one's yours, baby.
Daddy!
Evelyn,
Mama!
beautiful jewelry.
Want to wear your star necklace?
Daddy!
A beautiful jewelry.
Mama!
What's in your stocking there, Droopy?
Droopy booty?
Are you a star?
Mama, look!
You got a star
Another
necklace.
necklace!
Make sure, hey,
Let's see.
when you wipe your nose, don't use the same tissue to wipe your eye. Because you're gonna start
Oh.
Mama, look.
It's beautiful.
You can wear jewelries if you want.
What did you get?
Mama!
Ooh, another
Daddy,
necklace.
look.
Put it on.
Look, Daddy.
Another necklace. Put it on.
And earrings. I got earrings with all my necklaces. I know.
Well, we can wear one necklace at a time, right?
Mama.
Oh, a giant candy cane.
Daddy, look.
Ooh, yummy. Let me see. Hold it up for the camera to see. What is it?
A candy cane.
Awesome.
It's a big poster. You can
Who's on the poster?
Mario.
Show the camera.
Nothing else
It's
inside.
me, Mario.
Hey,
What'd you
Mama,
get, Evelyn?
You can hang mine back up. There's nothing else.
It goes on the couch.
Go
Time
put-
to take it down now.
Go put it over there by the tree.
This is mine.
Oh, what is in there?
Oh,
Pull the ribbon.
hey.
Pull the ribbon off.
Hey.
Evelyn.
Calm down.
You have to take this off.
Mario, a giant Mario sticker for your room. Oh.
Gosh, Evelyn. You almost
No, do it
broke
right now.
it.
Okay, collect all your stuff up and put it together. Put it in your box. All your stuff's over here, Kaylee. Put it all over
Open
here.
your presents, Daddy.
Do Mama next or Daddy?
Do you?
Okay.
Mama?
First I'll open this special envelope.
From me.
For you. Is it a car?
No.
Is it a motorcycle?
No, you have to see. Undo
Ooh! A shiny nickel.
it. And this.
Beautiful picture.
That's you playing your zombie game. That's a really scary zombie.
Oh, wow.
As soon
What a
as
good
Daddy's done, we're
job.
going to record and Daddy opening his presents, okay?
That's a good job. You hang it on the fridge for me.
And you can do it on. Look on the back too.
2 pictures. Is that you?
Yes, that's me. And that's Tinkerbell. I messed
Oh,
up.
good job. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hang it on the fridge for me.
Yes, sir.
Good job, baby. Mama's trying to cord. Sit back a little. Sit back a little. Okay. Who's this one from?
That's from me.
From Mama.
Nickel.
Here, you can have that, Nick.
Hopefully it's not stuck.
Ugh.
Stuck.
It won't open.
Stick got tape on the sides too.
Ugh. No.
Because we belong together. Love you.
Aww.
Oh, a key and a lock. Isn't that cute? Thank you.
I didn't know if you could wear something like that or not, but figured if you would, I'd let you decide which one you want to wear.
I'll wear the key.
I figured you'd say that.
Right here. Hey, back up. Better get you some gumballs so your gumball machine works. Here,
There's some.
it's on track for me.
There is no gumballs in there.
Okay, who's this one?
That's from Kaylee.
Another one from Kaylee?
Yes.
You getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Can you bring the trash bag over here, please?
This back. Yes, sir. That was a gift bag.
It's over by your bike.
My very own flashlight with batteries. That's awesome. Now I won't be scared anymore.
Did you do a good job? See, he loves it.
Thank you. Whose is this?
From Evelyn.
Evelyn got me this.
It's something that's very special.
Let's see. A dart gun. That's super cool. Thank you, baby. I can shoot you with this gun.
Aww.
Aubrey said, "Can we play with your toy before
Everyone wanted to keep it at
I
first.
know. I didn't see that. I didn't see
That's
that.
funny. Let's put that in the trash. What's this one? Let me find one from Aubrey. From Aubrey?